Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to turn off the Wi-Fi downloading option on Netflix. This means Netflix usually allows you to download a movie or series only when connected to Wi-Fi. But if you want to download using your mobile data instead, then this video is for you. So watch till the end. First of all, just open your Netflix app. On the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon inside a square with a smiley face. Tap on that. From here, select the third option, which is App Settings. Now, under the Downloads section, you'll see the Wi-Fi only download option. Simply turn it off, and it will automatically allow Netflix to use your mobile data for downloads. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.